My name is Mausam Haseen, and I'm excited to present the design for the New York office of Médecins Sans Frontières, also known as Doctors Without Borders. Expressing MSF's global outreach, unhindered by the question of nations and borders for the medical services, is an essential aspect of the brand through Research My Project. A place for employees to collaborate and innovate with a global perspective. This spirit extends to various disciplines such as research, retail, training, conferencing, and fundraising teams working together intensively. I wanted to create a space that suggests an inner world, yet without borders or limitations. My process went through a lot of iterations over about a month and a half of design. The color scheme is white with a bit of red to echo the logo. It is complemented by the use of different types of timber and cement throughout the office and carefully chosen furniture. All offices are semi-private with white partitions like doctor's white coat. Upon entering this space, a large open globe garden becomes the central expressive feature, alluding to the global focus of MSF organization of physicians. Each level provides a different kind of seating. The courtyard scheme offers a 4-story quester including rooftop grass and open sky to create a meditative path for contemplation as people walk around all 4 sides. The quester topology allows an object to be observed from inside and outside with a free passage between 2 realms. This globe garden, constructed using many strands joined together, functions to purify the air with plantings. Below the sphere, measuring 30 feet in diameter, is a reflecting pool with misting and strands with the track lighting to encourage the plant growth during non-working hours. Structurally, the rings had to be placed at regular intervals supported by the columns and the floor slab to evoke the sense of a globe. While inside the atrium, through the open edge, there is awareness of the sun above and sunlight penetrating through the globe garden, reflecting in the water pool below. This central globe garden circulation space is in dialogue with the cylindrical auditorium on the ground floor. While the globe garden is an open, enabling access and views to what surrounds it, the auditorium, in contrast, to defined by opaque walls. The auditorium roof has a curved partition oriented to block the sun from the south and only allow the north light to reduce glare.